How to connect Google Maps to car Bluetooth. First of all, you have to open up your Bluetooth setting in your mobile device. For that, open up the settings in your device. Now tap on connected device. From here, you have to connect your car Bluetooth to your device. So make sure you pair your car Bluetooth device with your mobile device. And once you have connected with your car Bluetooth, now what you have to do is open up the map in your device, and once you open up, now navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner. From this drop down box, tap on settings. Under this settings, scroll down a bit and then there find navigation settings. So tap on navigation settings. Now under mute state, make sure that unmuted option is selected. Now again, if you scroll down a bit and there is an option as play voice over Bluetooth, make sure that toggle is turned on. And under that, there is another option as play voice during phone calls. So make sure that toggle is turned on as well. And once you have done all this, you have successfully connected Google Maps to car Bluetooth. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.